So I wondered how is it going to feel once you wear it, and what is the difference really that you see between a shirt which doesn't have a stitch on it and a shirt which is glued on, like this one, you know. And if you see, I don't know if somebody's wearing a shirt with a stitch on it, if we can see their shirts, anybody who's got stitches on their shirts, you will see that shirt pucker up because of the stitching.
And it wrinkles up, puckers
Yeah,
up.
if you see it, there are no wrinkles. And there's no puckering that happens. And that's quite cool. And in fact, the fabric is really comfortable. And you can really, I'm feeling great in it. And I'm really, really happy that I have this limited edition shirt and one of the few.
Okay, with the launch of this shirt, we have really launched a line of products from Arrow in the luxury segment. The pricing of the shirt is 5,600, and therefore it's really in the luxury segment. So that's why the shirt is called Super. It's a super shirt, and Lux for luxury, Super Lux.
You know, I think everybody is stylish. I think everybody is unique, and I think you should celebrate uniqueness, and uniqueness is style, you know, because each one is different, each one has, and that difference becomes their style. So I don't know how to define my sense of style or whatever. I just wear things that I'm comfortable in, and comfortable clothing is the most important thing to me. That doesn't mean I'm only dressed in shorts and a t-shirt. I do wear suits, but they have to be comfortable. I do wear nice shirts, and they have to be Arrow stitchless now.
I'll just show you a little bit of the shirt which is open here. A lot of you must be wondering how did this happen. So if you see the shirt which is open,
हाँ विजय, तीर भी निशाने पे लग जाए, बस यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि बहुत ही बढ़िया शर्ट बनाई है. ऐसी शर्ट कभी दुनिया में नहीं बनी है, तो जिसमें किसी ने इसमें स्टिचेस नहीं है, तो उम्मीद यही करते हैं कि एरो की तीर बिल्कुल अपने निशाने पे लग जाए. कितने फॉर्मल्स मैं पहनता हूँ, देखिए, आई मीन यू डोंट वेयर फॉर्मल्स एवरी सिंगल डे, यू नो, यू वेयर क्लोथ्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओकेजन. एंड whenever I love wearing suits, I love wearing formal clothing also, but you can't wear them every day. So yes, of course, you see me every day most of the times, and you mostly see me when I'm filming or I'm shooting or I'm moving around somewhere, so you'll see me more in casual wear. But if you come to an event or there's a function where you have to dress formally, you dress formally, and I like to wear formal clothing as well. I think conscious हो गए हैं लोग, you know, people like to look after themselves, how they present themselves to people outside. तो I think most importantly, अगर आप fit हो, आपकी जो भी स्टाइल हो, आप कैजुअल हो, फॉर्मल्स में आप और कंफर्टेबल हो, वो आपकी अदा है, आपकी स्टाइल है, और उस हिसाब से आई गेस एवरीबडी जस्ट डेवलप्स दैट.